Hi. In this case, we are continue with famous quotes. In this part, we declare the first variable that it's famous person. Uh, this is the text. The second variable, the author, that is unknown. Uh, but the message needs to have a special uh, form. So that's why there's the author, and you add some tests, and after that, uh, who was the person who writes the the quote, and after that print the full message. We will see how it works. As you can see, in this case, the author is unknown. It goes first, the test and the quote.